morning, guys, and it's Jamiea Pink. Welcome to my channel, and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be vlogging going to Miami. I'm about to get my makeup done, and then after I get my makeup done, I got a few errands to do, and then I'm gonna be on a yacht, and then tomorrow I will be on a brunch, and I'll keep you guys posted and updated. Okay? All right, guys. So currently waiting to get my makeup done. So in like the holding room, not holding room, but holding hallway. So I'll show you guys once everything's done. All right, so we just finished our makeup, and now we're about to go find something to eat, and then I guess go to this yacht party. But y'all stay tuned. So right now we're at the liquor store. Not an alcoholic, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do to make it work. So I don't know what to get. Should I get dark? Should I get light? I think I'm gonna get light, cause I don't know how some of y'all could drink dark. It's too much. I don't know. Like, should I get Patron? Try Crown Royal? You know, when you first turn 21, you don't really know. I'll get back with you guys later, because I need to decide what we're gonna get. Alright, so we're finally here. We're about to get on this boat, well, aka yacht, and I'm gonna give y'all a tour. It's a whole bunch of people, but let's see how this goes now, because y'all know how my attitude is. Well, you guys don't know, but you guys are gonna know, and you're gonna really see. Okay, so we finally on the boat. It was a yacht, but it's kind of a boat. But it's a yacht boat. It's a boat. A yacht boat. So as of right now, this is like the scenery. This is the view. So anyways, when it gets a little turned up, I guess a little bit, then I will vlog that as well. But y'all stay tuned, okay? Hey guys, so we finally finished the yacht party. So stay tuned for tomorrow for the brunch. And as you can see, I broke a nail. But anyways, we'll see how tomorrow goes. Hey guys, so day number 2, and I just got my makeup done. I'm about to go get ready for the brunch, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the venue and everything. So see you guys later. Alright guys, so we're finally on our way to this little brunch with Pretty Girl V. Very much cute. I'm one of them, sorry. But I'm gonna go ahead and vlog and show you guys like the venue, like I said. So stay tuned. for clarification, Pretty V did come, but she only stayed for like, I guess she stayed for like a couple minutes, probably because it was a little hot. Alright, so hey guys, so the weekend is over. The weekend was a success. Like, honestly, I had an amazing time. It was just a brunch. Like, it was nice, but it was just like too many people. I don't really like places where it's a lot of people. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this Miami vlog, and make sure you like, comment, and please subscribe, okay?